So, the theme project. It's a 4-week project, and ultimately you get to select your own word. You've got a whole series of words to look at, and these words will inspire you in different ways, and some will be appropriate, some won't be. You need to look really carefully at the artist references. And I suggest that you pick 2 initially. Consider 2, explore them, research them, generate image analysis based on 2 of the words, or just go for 1 if 1 is more appropriate. And again, generate an image analysis based on that, on the words you've got. Look at the artists, look at all the artists, and look at more. And you have to consider the medium you want to use. Is it photography? Is it paint? Is it print? Is it video? Is it performance? Is it sculpture? Is it mixed media? Consider the medium. And experimentation is absolutely key. You have to, once you've got the idea, once you've got a concept that you want to run with, then it's all about experimentation, testing ideas, samples, exploration, and you need to document and record and reflect those ideas as they're developing to achieve the high grades. And think about your 4-week schedule. So don't leave it until 3.5 weeks before you even consider the outcome. Consider the outcome halfway through and start planning and developing and strategizing towards that outcome. And another really important feature is reflecting daily on what you've done and what you've achieved. Again, that's going to enable you to achieve high grades. Also consider, like I've already said, artists that aren't on the list and that you can consider and you can develop and you can draw on your own catalogue of artists to reflect on. Use a studio, use a Mac suite, use a library, and you may need specialist workshops, and you may need to look at print techniques, you may need to look at additional digital techniques. If you're exploring new techniques independently, such as YouTube reviews, YouTube tutorials, then make sure you're documenting that process, because that's excellent practice in terms of developing a new skill. So, the theme project, a whole series of words. Your task really today, day 1, is to select a theme, generate an image analysis, mind map, visual mind map. Visual mind map is essentially where you're looking at your mind map and replacing the words with visuals, with images. And you will need to create a loose and short project proposal where you're explaining your idea, and then just start making as soon as you can. Thanks for listening. This has been the Theme Project Explanation Introduction, and I am Jason Jones. Excellent.